Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Azim Ahmed. Last three digit of my ID is 841. Today I am going to present on 6G communication technology, which is recent advancement in data communication. So let's start with a brief introduction. 6G is the next generation of wireless communication technology that will come after 5G. It is expected to be introduced after the year 2030. The main goal of 6G is to provide extremely high speed, very low latency and intelligent communication system. It is designed to overcome the limitations of current 5G network. Problem addressed. Although 5G is a powerful technology, it still has some limitations. With the rapid growth of users, data traffic is increasing massively. 5G also has limitations in speed, latency, and full AI integration. Future technologies like smart city and massive IoT require a more advanced communication system. These problems are addressed by 6G technology, like speed, data growth, AI integration. Proposed technology. 6G proposes the use of frequency bands, which can carry much more data than current frequencies. It will use artificial intelligence to manage and optimize the network automatically. 6G also supports advancement applications like communication and tactile internet. Ultra-dense network architecture will ensure reliable and seamless connectivity. Key features of 6G network. One of the most important features of 6G is its extremely high data rate, which can reach terabytes per second. The latency will be less than 1 millisecond, making real-time communication possible. 6G will also provide higher reliability and improved security. It will support billions of IoT devices at the same time. Key findings and significance. The key findings show that 6G will data communication. It will enable smart cities, autonomous transportation, and advanced healthcare system. Education, virtual reality, and remote service will also benefit greatly. Overall, 6G will provide a future-ready and globally connected communication system. Conclusion. To conclude, 6G communication technology will shape the future of data communication. It aims to solve the major problems of current networks and meet future demands. Despite of some challenges, 6G has a strong potential to transform digital society. Network evaluation, problem solver and digital society. 6G will shape future data communication and solve major limitations of current networks, like network evaluation, problem solver, and digital society. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation.